Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how many reports you need to get banned on Snapchat. Now, as you can see, Snapchat disappearing posts allow the user to exercise freedom, but you need to follow a certain set of guidelines if you don't want to get banned, as you know. First, however, you must be wondering how many reports it takes to get you banned on Snapchat. Well, as you can see, here's a quick answer, and the amount of reports varies because it depends on severity of the matter, as you can see. Now, Snapchat does not have a fixed amount or number of reports to get you banned. You can only get banned if you violate the content guidelines. You getting banned might also depend on the number of times you have violated the guidelines on some topics. Now, as you can see, every time a report is made, Snapchat investigates that report and then issues the punishment according to the community guidelines that were violated and according to the severity of the matter. So, how many reports to get banned on Snapchat? There, you can't really get the clear answer here because the amount of reports, again, varies. It depends on the severity. It depends, each time report is made, how has been made. And as you can see, sometimes Snapchat might not ban your account and they might just let you go away by issuing a warning. So whenever Snapchat issues a warning, that means that next time you're probably going to get banned. So just make sure you're not getting banned, right? So this is how many reports you really need to get banned on Snapchat. Again, there's not a set amount of reports, just so you know, but this is the quickest answer I can get from the internet as well from the users too. So I hope this video, you find it useful at least. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.